Welcome back all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have learned the information about sandstone, which is the example of sedimentary rock. Okay, I have already told you that there are four examples of sedimentary rocks. First was, which was that? Sandstone. Second, limestone. Then shale, and last one conglomerate. Okay, so in the previous video we have learned the information about sandstone. Now in today's video we have to take the information about limestone. We have to see the information about limestone. Okay, so what are the limestone and different uses of limestone we have to see now. Okay, so limestone. So listen it carefully now. The information about limestone. Okay, so in the limestone, the key mineral, it means important mineral which is present into limestone is calcite. Calcite. This is the key mineral. This is the important mineral which is present into the limestone. Okay, calcite is a key mineral or important mineral which present into the limestone. Okay, and calcite, how do the calcite form? Calcite are formed from the animal shells which settle down at the bottom of the sea. Okay, this calcite is formed from the animal shell which settle down at the bottom of the sea. Okay, so what can you say? Calcite is formed from animal shell, and these shells, these animals are present at the bottom of the sea. Okay, generally limestone is white or grey in color. Okay, limestone is white or grey in color. Now we have to see the uses of limestones. There are different varieties of uses of this limestone. Limestones are very useful for making medicine, for making cosmetics. Okay, so most example of limestone is chalk. Okay, chalk here. Chalk is a most common example of limestone. And one more thing, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Great Pyramid of Giza is made up of this limestone. Okay, so this was all the information about limestone. Okay, now I am going to write the properties of limestone. Okay, so now look at here to the blackboard. So the first property of limestone is the key mineral which is present into limestone, that is calcite. So key mineral, key means important. Key mineral of limestone is calcite. Okay, so this is the most important mineral which is present into the limestone. Okay, after that calcite are formed from animal shells which settle at the bottom of the sea. At the bottom of the sea. After that, limestone is white or gray. White or gray in color. Okay. So these are the properties of limestone. Now uses of limestone. Okay. So we have to see now uses of limestone. Please note down all these points. Now uses of limestone. There are different uses. There are different uses of limestone. Okay. So limestone, it is used to or it is useful in it is useful for making cosmetics. Then after in medicine also it is used. It is used okay, it is used in the cosmetics. After that in medicine also. In medicine means there are different uses of this. Okay. It is used in the cosmetic, in the medicine also. And one more. It is useful for separation. It is useful for separation. Okay. Separation of metal. Metal from ores. Okay. Means for the separation of metal from ores, it is useful. Limestone is useful. Okay. So common example of limestone is chalk. Chalk is the common example of what? Limestone. And great pyramid of Giza. Great pyramid of Giza is completely made up of this limestone. Is made up of limestone. Okay. So here we have learned the detail about limestone. We have seen the properties of limestone. After that, uses of limestone. Okay. So I have already told you that the key mineral, the important mineral which is present into limestone is calcite. And how do the calcite form? Calcite are formed from the animal shell which present at the bottom of the sea. After that, we have seen these limestones are white or grey in color. Okay. And different uses of limestones are there. It is useful for making medicine, for making cosmetics also. These limestones are used. After that, for the separation of metal from ore, it is important. And last one, the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is made up of what? Limestone. Okay. So here we have completed our today's point, limestone. Okay. So two example of sedimentary rocks remain now, shale and conglomerate. We will see their information in the next video. Okay. I hope you wrote down all these points which I have written on the blackboard. Okay. So up to that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home and do your study well. So see you in the next video with a new point of our lesson. Thank you.